Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our fantastic listeners. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
It is always great to see you, Paul. But are you okay? You are moving a little slowly today.
Oh, Emily, you noticed. Yes, I am moving slowly. My legs hurt.
Your legs hurt? Why? Did you fall?
No. I went to the gym yesterday.
Ah, the gym.
Yes, I decided to start exercising again. I lifted weights. I ran on the treadmill.
Wow! Good for you, Paul.
Thank you. But today, ouch, my muscles are very angry with me.
I understand. But you know the famous saying, right?
Which saying?
No pain, no gain.
Ah, yes. No pain, no gain. It is a very famous phrase in English.
It is, and it is perfect for our topic today.
Oh, what is our topic?
Today, we are going to talk about doing difficult things. We are talking about fitness and English.
Fitness and English? That is an interesting combination.
Yes, because learning English is just like going to the gym.
I think I understand. But before we talk about muscles and grammar, we have a favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a second to subscribe to the Mr. English channel.
And please give us a like. It really helps us find more students like you.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe you have a friend who goes to the gym or studies English.
Yes, share it with them. Okay, Emily, I am ready. My legs hurt, but my brain is ready.
Great. So, Paul, you went to the gym. It was hard, right?
It was very hard. I was sweating, I was tired, I wanted to stop.
But you didn't stop. Why?
Because I want to be healthy. I want to be strong.
Exactly. You want the result, the gain.
Yes, the pain is the tired muscles. The gain is the strong body.
Perfect. Now, think about learning English.
Okay, thinking about English.
Is learning English always easy and fun?
Honestly, no.
That is an honest answer.
Sometimes it is fun. I like talking to you. I like watching movies.
But
But sometimes it is hard. Memorizing irregular verbs, that is painful.
yes, irregular verbs are like lifting heavy weights. It is not always fun.
And grammar rules? Whew. Sometimes my brain feels tired, just like my legs feel tired today.
That is a perfect comparison, Paul. Your brain is a muscle.
My brain is a muscle. I like that.
Yes, when you study English, you are exercising your brain.
So if my head hurts a little bit after studying, that is a good thing?
Exactly. It means you are learning. It is good pain.
No pain, no gain.
Yes. If you only do easy things, you do not grow.
That is true at the gym. If I lift a pencil, it is easy, but I do not get big muscles.
No. And in English, if you only say hello and goodbye, it is easy, but you do not learn to speak fluently.
You have to try the hard words. You have to try the difficult sentences.
Yes. And Paul, What is the scary part of the gym?
Maybe looking foolish?
Yes, maybe you don't know how to use a machine, or you drop the weights.
Oh, yes, that is embarrassing.
And in English, what is the scary part?
Speaking. Definitely speaking.
Why?
Because I might make a mistake. People might not understand me. That feels uncomfortable.
Yes, it feels uncomfortable. It is painful for our ego.
Yes, nobody likes to make mistakes.
But remember our topic, no pain.
No gain.
If you are scared to speak, you will not improve. You must feel the fear and do it anyway.
Wow, that is powerful. Feel the fear.
Yes, the discomfort means you are pushing yourself. You are leaving your comfort zone.
So, when I speak to a waiter or a tourist and I feel nervous,
That is your workout. That nervousness is the sweat of learning English.
the sweat of learning English. I love that.
So, let's give our listeners some tips. How can they train like an athlete?
Good idea. Tip number 1, I think, is consistency.
Consistency. That is a big word. What does it mean?
It means doing it regularly. I cannot go to the gym one time and get strong.
No, you must go 3 or 4 times a week.
Exactly. And English is the same. You cannot study for 5 hours on Sunday and then stop.
That is true. It is better to study for 20 minutes every day.
Just 20 minutes?
Yes, 20 minutes every day is better than nothing for 6 days.
That sounds much easier. A small workout for the brain every day.
Yes, maybe listen to a podcast on Monday, read a news article on Tuesday.
Write a few sentences on Wednesday.
Exactly. Keep the muscle moving.
I like that. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is do not skip leg day.
Oh no, leg day is the hardest day at the gym.
I know. People love to skip the hard stuff.
In English, what is leg day?
I think leg day is grammar or maybe writing.
Oh yes, the boring stuff, the hard stuff.
Many students just want to watch videos. That is fun. That is easy.
Watching videos is like walking. It is nice, but it is not hard exercise.
Exactly. Sometimes you need to sit down and do the hard work. Study the grammar rule. Write the essay.
It hurts a little bit.
But it makes you strong.
Okay, I will do my grammar exercises. I promise.
Good job, Paul. Now I have another tip. Tip number 3 is rest.
Rest? I like this tip.
Yes, muscles grow when you rest.
Really?
Yes, you exercise, you break the muscle down, and then you sleep, and it grows back stronger.
So I need to sleep to learn English?
In a way, yes. You cannot force your brain to work 24 hours a day.
That is true. Sometimes when I study too much, I forget everything.
Yes, that is called burnout. You do not want burnout.
So it is okay to take a break.
It is very important to take a break. Take a day off. Listen to music. Relax.
Whew. That makes me feel better. Balance is important.
Very important. And here is one more parallel. At the gym, do you look at other people?
Sometimes there is a guy there. He is very, very strong. He lifts huge cars.
Cars? Really?
Well, maybe not cars, but very heavy weights.
And how do you feel when you see him?
I feel small. I feel weak.
This is a big problem in English learning too. Comparison.
Ah, yes. Comparing yourself to others.
You see someone who speaks perfect English. They are fluent, they are fast.
And you think, my English is terrible.
Yes, but Paul, was the strong man at the gym always strong?
I don't know. Probably not.
Probably not. He started with small weights. He worked hard for years.
That is true. Everyone starts at the beginning.
Exactly. So do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20.
Oh, I love that. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20.
Focus on your own weights. Focus on your own progress.
So if I learned 5 new words today, that is a win.
Yes, that is a gain. You are stronger today than you were yesterday.
That is a very healthy way to think.
It is. So, Paul, are you going back to the gym tomorrow?
Maybe. If my legs work.
You can do it. Just start slow.
Yes. And I will study my English too. Even the irregular verbs.
That's the spirit. Remember, the discomfort you feel is just your brain growing.
It is growing pains.
Yes, and imagine the result. Imagine the gain.
The gain. Speaking fluently, traveling to new countries, making new friends,
Understanding movies without subtitles.
getting a better job.
Being able to express your true personality in another language.
Wow. Those are amazing gains.
They are, and they are worth a little bit of pain.
Definitely. Okay, I am motivated. I am ready to work out.
Mental workout or physical workout.
Both.
That's great. You know, Paul, talking about this actually makes me want to go for a run.
Really? You like running?
I do. It clears my mind. It is hard for the first 5 minutes.
The first 5 minutes are terrible.
Yes, but after that, it feels good. You feel proud.
Proud. That is a good emotion.
Yes, when you finish a difficult English lesson, you feel proud.
Listeners, we want you to feel proud too.
Yes, do not run away from the difficult parts of English, run towards them.
Embrace the challenge.
Exactly. So let's review our workout plan for English.
Okay, step 1, consistency. Study a little bit every day.
Step 2, don't skip the hard stuff. Do the grammar, speak even if you are scared.
Step 3, rest. Sleep is good for your brain.
And step 4, don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your journey.
That is a great plan, simple and effective.
And the result?
A strong, flexible, healthy English brain.
Yes.
Emily, I have a question.
Yes, Paul.
Does eating chocolate count as exercise?
Unfortunately, no.
Oh, that is too bad. I am very good at eating chocolate.
Maybe that is your reward after the workout.
Okay, no pain, no chocolate.
I like that version better.
Well, Emily, this was a very energizing conversation.
It was. I hope our listeners feel energized too.
We hope you are ready to tackle your English goals with confidence.
Yes. Remember, every mistake is just a step forward.
Every struggle makes you stronger.
So, before we cool down and finish this episode, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you in the comments.
Tell us, what is your pain in English?
Yes, what is the most difficult thing for you? Is it listening? Is it speaking? Is it grammar?
Or maybe it is finding time to study.
Tell us about your struggle. It is good to share.
And tell us about your gain. What is your goal? Why are you working hard?
We love reading your stories. You are all working so hard, and we are proud of you.
Yes, we are. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. English channel so you don't miss our next workout session.
And share this podcast with your workout buddy.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing, keep moving, and keep learning.
Yes, no pain, no gain. See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now. Good luck.